Connecting laptop to external monitor using HDMI.
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to explore a common tech query. How do you connect your laptop to an external monitor using an HDMI cable? Whether you need more screen real estate for work, or you're setting up that perfect gaming station, this step-by-step guide is going to make the process simple and swift.
What will you need?
To accomplish this, you'll need two primary things. 1. An HDMI cable that will serve as the bridge between your laptop and the external monitor. 2. An external monitor that has an HDMI input port. Most modern monitors will have this, but it's always good to double-check before proceeding.
Where is the HDMI port on your devices?
First, locate the HDMI ports on your devices. The HDMI port on your laptop is usually found on the sides or the back. It's a narrow, rectangular port that's slightly wider than a USB port. On your monitor, the HDMI port is typically found at the back or the underside.
How to connect the HDMI cable?
Next, you'll need to physically connect the two devices. Here's how. 1. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into your laptop's HDMI port. 2. Connect the other end of the cable to the HDMI port on your monitor. Please ensure the cable is securely connected at both ends. You don't want it to come loose mid-game or in the middle of your work.
How to configure the display settings?
After connecting the devices, your laptop should automatically detect the external monitor. But, if it doesn't or if you want to adjust the settings, 1. Windows users. Right-click on your desktop, select Display Settings. Here, you can adjust the resolution and the display mode, like duplicate these displays, extend these displays, etc. 2. Mac users. Open System Preferences, select Displays, and then Arrangement. Here, you can set the display mode and choose which screen to use as your primary monitor. Remember, if you wish to use the monitor as an extension of your desktop, rather than a mirror, choose the Extend these displays option in Windows or arrange the monitors appropriately in Mac settings. That's it. It's really that simple to connect your laptop to an external monitor using HDMI. Now you're all set to enjoy your new dual monitor setup. We hope this guide has been helpful, and as always, if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Happy computing!